Mild-mannered Dan, the designer, has just received a package, a new graphics card from his startup CEO, which will help him complete the computer he's building. Little does he know, his setup day is about to be torn down.
This card won't work for professional CAD.
Dan, did you get the graphics card?
I did, but it's the wrong type. I can't run my CAD software with this.
Dan, you're amazing at what you do. I believe in you. You can make it work with that one, right?
I can't...
By the way, the meeting with the investors went great. They want to see a prototype.
When?
By the end of the week.
What? My computer. I can't run my CAD tools.
Fantastic. You're the best, Dan. Don't forget we'll need some pictures and renderings too, and some marketing material, and whatever else you want to share with the manufacturer. You were also working on a solar panel to charge the charger, right?
What?
We're gonna change the world. I just know it.
How am I gonna do this? All these tools are so separate and weird. They don't connect at all. What can I do? Help!
Dan's calls for help will not fall on deaf ears. Whenever a designer is in distress, whenever an engineer is exasperated, whenever a project manager faces misfortune, there's one team that is ready to swoop in and save the day.
There's a disturbance in the city.
Looks like Dan is having some technical troubles. He can't CAD like he used to.
The device he's using should never stop him. X-Highlight, what's he working on?
Dan is building a mobile, multi-purpose charging station. It can power tools and devices at campsites, remote work sites, and elsewhere.
But what makes it unique and cutting edge is that it will have an optional add-on that will allow it to rapidly charge an electrical vehicle. This is a great idea.
And we'll make it even better. Let's move, xWorks.
How am I supposed to do surfacing with this?
Easy. With a platform that has everything you need to innovate, scale your business, and bring your products to life.
xWorks! Wait, how did you get into my house?
Hey, Dan, let us introduce you to 3D Experience Works. Me and the xWorks team are here to help you make the best charger thingy you can imagine.
3D Experience Works?
3D Experience Works gives you access to the 3D Experience platform, the product development platform that has everything you need to connect with your stakeholders, make exceptional designs, bring products to market, and solve your workflow issues.
That sounds amazing, but there's one problem. My super powerful PC doesn't work. All I have is the internet.
And that's all you need.
You could also use a phone or tablet if you wanted to.
That's impossible.
It's true, Dan. With my parametric design capabilities and X-shaped sub-D modeling savvy, we can make your charger better than you ever imagined.
Let's say I believe you. How does it work?
Like this. It looks like our heroes have their work cut out for them. Let's see how the moldable Maverick X-Shape uses sensational sub-D design skills to produce products. You can generate freeform designs without the complex and time-consuming workflows of traditional surface modeling with X-Shape. Bounding box dimensions provide precise control over an object's size. Push and pull faces, edges, and vertices to adjust the shape in real time. Sharpen edges or flatten a series of faces to create stylized details. Extrude any face to add more material. Translate, scale, and rotate to exact measurements by snapping to the on-screen ruler. Connect opposing faces to create a bridge. Subdivide groups of faces to provide additional control points. It's easy to quickly conceptualize and fast-track new product design workflows on the cloud with X-Shape. Time to tag another xWorks teammate. For 3D part and assembly modeling on the cloud, there's the xWorks leader, xDesignn. Parametric design all begins with a sketch. Common commands are accessible from shortcut menus or shortcut rings. Use power trim to get the basic shape. Then add smart dimensions to define the exact size. Swipe across corners to add fillets. Sketches transform into 3D designs with super features like extrude, revolve, and sweep. A shell and revolved cutout captures functional intent. Visualize the impact of any dimensional changes with the section view. Enable Draft to apply taper to any extrusion and create intelligent patterns in any direction. Physical threads add realism and make for a fully functional prototype part. Break sharp corners with fillets and chamfers. The design assistant finds all the similar edges using the power of machine learning. Sketches from a previous design can be retrieved from the cloud and reused in any design with no special setup required. Apply colors and materials for realistic appearance and mass properties. Create a new revision or branch with built-in lifecycle tools. Every iteration is safely stored in the cloud, where it can be reviewed, shared, and manufactured. xDesign and xShape have brought Dan's ideas to life. Parametric and sub-D modeling, all in a browser. But can they meet all of Elaine's requirements? See how our story unfolds in the next edition of xWorks.